We're an independent school, so we have the freedom to address what's important in our community and what matters to the children. And climate resilience is something that we need to begin to address now in our community, and it's something these children are going to be living with.
First it rains, and then here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. And then the sun evaporates the water, and then the sun leaves, and then there's a cloud because the water condensed.
All of the projects we do at Solid Ground are really situated in the context of place. First, we have, if you imagine a nesting bowl, we have the place of the classroom. What's happening to the people around us? We have the place of the school, which is located on a working farm. What's happening in the woods? What's happening in the pasture? What kinds of animals are we seeing? What kind of bugs are coming out?
The children in the preschool and kindergarten class will be developing bugs that can adapt to a changing climate. They'll be representing these bugs using mixed media, whether that's using sculpting wax or Legos or recycled materials in our studio area. And so we're going to use that as our springboard to then look at other adaptations that bugs have developed in order to survive, and thinking about which ones would be suited for which climates and environments that they live in. We're constantly exploring the place of this farm, and we learn about all that is going on here, and that can then be broadened out to the area further from the farm.
From there, we look at what's happening in the town, what's happening in Athens, what's happening in our community, what's happening in our county, what's happening in the Appalachian region. Children very much need a physical connection, a concrete connection, an emotional connection. They like to touch, they like to see, they like to experience. If we can connect the experience of what they're actually seeing and experiencing to something as important as climate resilience. I think about climate and weather, for example. If we can connect what's happening to the flowers around us, to the season around us, to the changes that we're experiencing, it really helps make an abstract concept much more concrete, much more understandable, so that the children can really make sense of what's happening in their world in a very real way.